Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change screenshot gesture in Samsung. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change screenshot gesture in Samsung, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on advanced features. Now, under advanced features, locate and click on motions and gestures, and then locate palm swap to capture. If this is turned off, just go ahead and turn that on, and then you are good. So when next you want to take a screenshot of your phone, instead of using the volume down button and then the power button to take your screenshot like this, you can just go ahead and use your palm swap, and it's going to take the same screenshot on your Samsung phone like that. You see that? And then you're good. So that is exactly how to change screenshot gesture in Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.